screw this. Just what I need, holy!
Goddamn car broke down. Can you give me a ride? I'll pay you. I got money.
Ah, shit, for sure, man. Come on, I'll give you a ride.
I'm unbelievably late for a flight. I need to get to the airport fast. Check-in closes at 6:30. I can't miss it. Piece of crap rental car, of all the days. The average American spends 15% of their income on running a car, and almost 2 hours a day in transit. You'd expect these auto manufacturers could deliver a reliable product. Sorry, I'm a numbers guy, but outward-facing. I can work a spreadsheet, but I can also work a room. I run the models, I date the models, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man, I have to take your word for it, though. So, what flight are you trying to catch?
Liberty City. I'm an equity analyst in Algonquin. Tech comms. The big leagues, man. The pressure, it can choke you, but I live for that shit. Name's Tim, with 2 M's, because I am hungry 24/7. What's your name, buddy?
Franklin, with 1 N.
Well, listen, buddy, because you're helping me out, I want to help you out. My back, your back, they both get scratched. Get me to the airport on time, and I'll give you the kind of tip you can really take to the bank. I am hung over. The vendors took us out last night. I had so many tits in my face at one point I thought I was gonna suffocate. We dropped $5K on bottle service, so go figure. I know what you're thinking. With everyone belt-tightening is not cool. But you gotta stop mixing up investment and retail. We didn't cause this housing bubble or the last one. I don't even speak to those retail drones. What?
Citizens reporting a 417 King in, South Porta.
Watch it!
Suspect last seen on, Big City Avenue.
You gotta watch out, fool!
Why, asshole? Your eye!
Citizens report a pedestrian involved accident in, North South Porta.